Hello, teacher.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, and you?
I'm good, thank you very much. Please tell me about yourself.
My name is Linda. I am 11 years old. I live in Hanam. I am from Vietnam.
What do you do in your free time, Linda? Are you watching TV? Are you doing your homework? Are you playing? What do you do in your free time?
My free time is
I
am doing homework.
Okay, in your free time you are doing your homework. That's great. Okay, in the future, what do you want to be?
I want to be.
Do you want to be a teacher, a doctor, a nurse?
I am to be a doctor.
A doctor. Okay, so please, Linda, try your best, okay?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's begin.
A carrot. B onion. C peppers. D vegetable. Cabbage. E fruit salad.
Yes.
F milkshake.
No.
Something.
Smoothie.
G milkshake.
Yes.
H tomato.
Yes, there's tomato. Yes, Linda, what is the color of tomato?
Tomato color red.
Okay, it's red. Okay, so can you please tell me what vegetable do you like to eat? Here.
I like to eat.
But
I like to eat fruit salad.
Okay, I said what vegetables do you like to eat? Vegetables.
I like eat vegetable. Is carrot.
Carrot. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, now here please tell me which one is different and please say why. Okay? Number one, the first row here. Okay, which one is different?
One. Pass.
Because
Pass
it
isn't a vegetable.
That's right. Okay. Number two, which one is different?
Pass.
Here, number two, which one is different? A, B, C, or D?
C.
Letter C. What is it, letter C? Popcorn.
Popcorn.
Okay. And why is it different?
Because popcorn isn't a drink.
That is right. How about number three?
Number three.
Which one is different? A, B, C, or D?
Because.
Which one is different? A, B, C, or D?
D.
Letter D, that's right. Why?
Why?
Because?
Why? Because
Because A, B, and C.
Because A, B, and C.
What is it?
Is king.
Letter D is kicking. Yes, it's different. Why? Because A, B, and C, it isn't an English, an art, and science. It isn't
isn't
an
an
art.
art.
Linda, please try your best, okay? Next, please tell me where is the park? Number 1.
It big is it between the school and the movie
Theater.
theater.
Okay, tell me where is the library?
Is big
Between
between the movie theater and the post office.
Say movie theater.
Movie is theater.
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 Okay.